Now that your offer is accepted, and congratulations again, we can firm up the numbers. And firming up the numbers includes locking in your interest rate. As always, you're not in this alone. So if you haven't already, check your inbox for the email inviting you to schedule a kickoff call, follow the link, and pick a time. And a big part of that conversation is going to be breaking down the numbers and making sure you have everything you need to make confident decisions about your rate lock. We're going to ask you 2 questions, and they sound pretty similar. Do you want to lock? And which rate do you want to lock? Most loans have multiple rate options, and locking in freezes in the full menu of options that are available at the moment that you say, yes, you want to lock, and we press the buttons to make that happen. As a practical matter, we always have to lock something specific, but those other options automatically come along for the ride, and they're all fixed in. They don't shift around with the market anymore. I'm borderline allergic to closing the door on options, and so if you're at all wired like me, this could be music to your ears. You've got this option to lock and put worries about the changing market to rest with this grace period to decide exactly which interest rate you prefer. We'll always let you know what the deadline is for the final decision on the exact rate that you want. Feel free to poke around the resources on this page, make sure you get that call scheduled, and we'll take all these next steps together.